In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple accounts on Temu. Whether you need separate accounts for work and personal use or you're managing multiple aspects of your life, having more than one account can be very helpful. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as easy and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open the official Temu website or the Temu app. This is your starting point for creating a new account, and it's crucial that you access the official platform to guarantee security and access to all the site's features. Make sure you're on the correct website or app. Look for official logos or contact details if you're unsure. Next, if you're already logged into an existing account, you'll need to sign out. This step is important as it clears the way for you to register a new account without any confusion or overlap with your current one. You can usually find the sign out option in your account settings or profile section. Simply follow any prompts to log out completely. Once you're signed out, look for the sign in register option. This is the gateway to logging in to an existing account or creating a new one. Since our goal is to set up a new account, you'll want to focus on the registration part. Now select Create/Register. This is where you begin setting up your new Temu account. It's important to note that you'll need access to a different email address or phone number. Temu requires unique contact information for each account to ensure they are distinct and separately managed. If you don't already have an alternative email or number, consider creating one before proceeding. With your new email address or phone number ready, you'll enter these details into the registration form. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to fill in additional information like a new username or password. Be sure to choose a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account's security. Once you've filled everything out, you'll typically need to complete a verification process. Temu might send an email or text message with a code to the contact information you've just provided. Go ahead and check your inbox or messages for this verification code. It could take a few minutes to arrive, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantaneously. Enter the code into the website or app as prompted to confirm your new account. And there you have it. After verification, you'll be signed into your new account, ready to explore Temu with a fresh profile. Remember, if you ever need to switch between accounts, simply repeat the process by logging out and using the necessary sign-in register options with your chosen email or phone number. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage multiple accounts on Temu. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.